Today we're all about saving you a buck, and we're gonna go check out Ollie's Good Stuff Cheap and let you know what we think. Welcome back, Localtarians, and we are here to tell you what I think about Ollie's Good Stuff Cheap. So once you get there, this one's in Kissimmee. There are other locations around, but this is the closest one to us, so I wanted to check it out. You can see as you're going through the doors, there's lots of advertisements. If you've ever been to like a Big Lots, this is sort of a similar idea, but a little bit different. I would say it's somewhere in the same price range for some of their things though, so definitely something you should check out if you guys are on a budget like a lot of us are these days. So once you go inside, you're going to find quite a variety of things. You can see they've got lots of sales going on right now, as always. And yeah, they've even got a loyalty program, so make sure that you check that out too. Now, most notably, they have a very large books section right in the front. Lots of children's books, adults books, games, all variety of things in that stationery type book department. But as you can see, this is a pretty good sized store, and they do have a lot of variety of things. They also do have not only just books, but they have, like I said before, they have certain types of games and crafty type things as well. You've got some food items, including coffees, cereals, things of that nature. You will find quite a variety of things here to check into. They have quite a predominant candy aisle as well as lots of good stuff in general. Now, of course, you know, some of this stuff you want to check your dates, of course, because it is sort of a warehouse type of situation. And I think that they get a lot of this stuff secondhand from places where they might not have sold in other places. Now, they also have a pet aisle, and you can get bird seeds, you can get pet toys, pet foods, a variety of bowls and beds for the pets as well. They have some pretty high quality gnaw bones as well. They do have rawhide, although if most of you know anything, you know that rawhide's not exactly great for your pet, so don't recommend that. But they do have pool supplies as well, including chlorine and things like that. So certainly check it out. Lots of summer items, lots of tools, very cool items, lights, and a variety of things that you might need for your next home improvement projects. So they've got the gloves that you're going to need to stay safe, and they even do carry things like paints and other items, which you'll see a little later in this video. Now, they also have shoes and clothing. So if you're looking for a great deal, or maybe just a few pieces to tie up your wardrobe, this might be a good place for you to check out. There is quite a variety for men's, children, and women. So certainly come in and check out all the stuff they have for that. They do have accessories to go along with them. And yeah, you might find exactly what you're looking for and save a few bucks in the process. Nothing wrong with that. All right, so also, as I mentioned before, if you're looking to finish up some home projects, they have paints and stains, and they're pretty reasonably priced. So any of your home improvement projects, you might find just the thing you're looking for and be able to save a little bit in the process. So make sure you check out what they've got going on here at Ollie's. All right, guys, so crafty stuff. Now, they have a lot of kids' crafts especially, but a little variety. They did have some pretty cute things that I would think would make great gifts. Christmas will be here before you know it. I know it hurts to say, but, you know, things like that. Stocking stuffers and craft kits if you're trying to get your kids to do a few more creative things. This would be some great options, and they did have quite a variety of those type of things. We wanted to leave a little mystery so that you guys could come in and see, because it does rotate out to different things all the time here at Ollie's. So yeah, definitely make sure that you take time to come check it out. They do have furnishings as well. They even have furniture like chairs and recliners and things like that. So yeah, you definitely want to check out their kitchenware items. They had lots of pots and pans and home kitchen furnishings, anything for the kitchen, knife blocks, things like that. And they were pretty reasonably priced, quite honestly. So you definitely, if you're looking to restock your kitchen or you just moved in, this place might save you a little bit of extra money and find you some really nice things, actually. So as I mentioned, this is quite a large store. They have such an amazing variety of things to go through. It really does warrant you guys to just come on in and check it out for yourself. Of course, this one, you can see they have quite an emphasis on savings, and as I mentioned before, they do get new stuff all the time. They're having some closeouts right now for ACs and for pool items, as well as fishing. So if you're looking for any of that type of stuff, this place would be a great place to hit up as soon as you can. Now, thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave us a comment down below what you thought about Ollie's, and follow us on all of our platforms. Thank you so much for watching our video today, and peace! We're going to catch you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.